bit tricky to see this, but this is ice forming on the roof of this brand new fridge, which doesn't seem right, obviously. You expect some ice to form at the back, but not on the roof. So this is clearly not right, and it's dripping down onto this top shelf, which is causing pools of water. Not very hygienic when you find your cheese or your food swimming in water, and especially not good if you put anything cardboard or paper in there, because you then end up with a wet, soggy, disintegrated packet. Very poor. And I think this is probably faulty, but I'm not sure. So let me know if you've had this happen with your fridge. This is a brand new one that we bought recently, only a month ago.